You send one text, then you watch the screen. 3 dots appear, then they vanish. Your stomach actually drops. That is not you being dramatic. That is your brain firing real pain signals. Naomi Eisenberger, a neuroscientist at UCLA, ran an experiment in 2003 that changed how we understand rejection. She put people in a brain scanner and had them play a simple ball-tossing game with 2 other players. Then, without warning, the other players stopped throwing the ball to them. The scans lit up in the anterior cingulate cortex. That is the exact same brain region that activates when your body feels physical pain. Not similar, the same region. Your brain does not have a separate file folder for social pain. It reuses the one built for a broken bone. Think about why that would ever be useful. For most of human history, you did not survive alone. Being cut off from your group meant no food, no protection, and a very short life. So evolution wired exclusion to hurt exactly like an injury, because for your ancestors, it basically was one. That old circuit is still running. It does not know the difference between being cast out of a hunting group 10,000 years ago and being left on read by someone you like. Here is the part that makes it worse. Psychologist Kipling Williams calls this ostracism. His research found that even a stranger ignoring you online triggers the same distress response as being excluded by close friends. Your brain does not check whether the rejection actually matters. It just registers absence of connection and sounds the alarm anyway. That is why an unanswered text can hijack your whole afternoon. Your nervous system is not being weak. It is running a program that once kept your entire species alive. But here is the twist that changes everything. Because this pain runs through the same pathway as physical pain, researchers found something almost too strange to believe. Ordinary acetaminophen, the same pain reliever you take for a headache, measurably reduces the emotional sting of social rejection. Read that again. A painkiller dulls heartbreak because your brain never built a separate system for it. You're not weak for feeling wrecked by an unanswered text. You are running ancient hardware in a world that invented ghosting. So the next time 3 dots appear and disappear, and your chest tightens like something actually hurts, that is because something actually is. You're just the first generation of humans forced to feel it 100 times a day.